What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add my house name on Google Map. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Suppose your house is at this location and you want to add your house name right here. So there are two ways. You can click on save and go to labeled, and here you can set your home address. And in another way, you can just click on your mouse. You can just right click on your mouse and this sort of box will come, and here you have to click on add a missing place. You just need to add your place name here and what category it is. It can be anything that is not registered yet, and yeah, that's it. If you submit it, Google will save it as your home address or your home name. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.